Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Omni. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to use a digital cutter to cut XPS extruded polystyrene board for building construction. XPS board is a good insulator, so it is often used in walls, roofs, and floors to help keep buildings warm in winter and cool in the summer. Why use a digital cutter to cut XPS board? There are several reasons. You might want to use a digital cutter to cut XPS board. Firstly, digital cutter is very precise, so you can be sure that your cuts will be accurate. Secondly, digital cutter can cut a variety of shapes, including complex shapes that would be difficult or impossible to cut by hand. Third, digital cutter is relatively fast, so you can cut a large number of XPS board pieces in a short amount of time. Zero gap importance. Zero gap is important for the insulation board construction. This is because any gaps in the insulation will allow air to pass through, which will reduce the insulation's effectiveness. In order to achieve zero gap, the insulation board must be cut and installed very precisely. So, we need a digital cutter to cut this board precisely. Then, how to achieve zero gap with a digital cutter? A digital cutter can be used to achieve zero gap in insulation board construction by cutting the insulation board to exact specifications. The digital cutter can also be used to cut grooves in the insulation boards, which can help to create a better seal between the pieces. So, digital cutter is a great way to cut XPS extruded polystyrene board for building construction because they are precise, versatile, and relatively fast. If you're looking for a way to cut XPS board into any shape or size you need, digital cutter is a perfect tool for the job. And here are additional tips. Number 1, when using a digital cutter to cut XPS board, it is important to use a sharp blade. This will help to ensure that the cuts are clean and accurate. And number 2, it is also important to use a cutting mat that is compatible with XPS board. This will help to protect the board from damage during the cutting process. And finally, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instruction when using a digital cutter to cut the board. Omni offers full solution of CNC cutting. We are leading manufacturer of CNC router, laser cutter, digital cutter, and water jet cutting machine. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe us so you can learn something new every week.